Have you ever found yourself staring at your phone, debating between two apps that seem to offer the same thing? Well, today, we're diving into just that. We're comparing Koho and Neo, two popular apps that promise to simplify your financial life. Which one is better? Let's find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What exactly are Koho and Neo, and what do they do? Koho is a Canadian fintech company that offers a prepaid card and a mobile app. It's designed to help you manage your spending and save money. Neo, on the other hand, is a Canadian digital bank that provides a full suite of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, a credit card, and investment options. So, while both apps are geared towards simplifying your finances, they approach it from slightly different angles. Now, let's break down some of the key features that set Koho and Neo apart. Cashback and rewards. Both Koho and Neo offer cashback and rewards programs, but there are some differences. Koho's cashback program is relatively straightforward, while Neo's rewards program is a bit more complex, with different rewards for different categories of spending. Fees. This is a big one. Both apps have their own set of fees, so it's important to understand what you'll be paying for. Koho has a monthly fee, but it offers a cashback bonus to offset this. Neo, on the other hand, has no monthly fee but charges fees for certain transactions. Savings and investment. If you're looking to save or invest, Neo has the edge. They offer a variety of savings and investment options, including a high-interest savings account and access to a robo-advisor. Beyond the features, it's also important to consider the user experience. How easy is it to use each app? How responsive is the customer support? Both Koho and Neo have user-friendly apps, but there are some differences in terms of design and layout. It really comes down to personal preference. As for customer support, both apps have been praised for their responsiveness and helpfulness. So, which app is better? The answer is, it depends. It depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're primarily looking for a cashback card and a simple way to manage your spending, Koho might be a good option. However, if you're looking for a full-featured digital bank with savings and investment options, Neo might be a better fit. It's also worth considering your financial situation. If you're new to personal finance, Koho might be a good starting point. However, if you're more experienced, Neo might offer more advanced features. In the end, the best way to decide between Koho and Neo is to try them both out and see which one you prefer. Both apps offer a lot of value, and it's ultimately up to you to decide which one is the best fit for your lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.